Hi guys, today I'll be talking about this Toyota 4Runner. I'll show you where fuse is located in OBD port. So let's get started. So first thing first, you want to get to OBD port. It's usually under the steering wheel. Most of the cars right in here. So if you look under the steering wheel, it's usually on this side. So you might have a cover. Might not, but that's where it is. If you need to plug in computer or for DQ. So the first fuse box location would be right in here. You just pull in it and it comes out. And location is usually in here. And there's your fuses. So to close it, you just line this up this way, and there you go. And to get to your second one, it's gonna be under the hood. To open the hood, you have right here. To open the fuel tank, it's on this side, but the hood is right here. So to get to your second one, you have to open the hood, and the hood latch is right in here. You go. So this is your second one. It's right in here. And to get to it, you just press a button right here, and that comes off. You can take it off completely if you want. Just scoot it back, and that's supposed to come off. Just like that. And there's your location right in here. And there's your fuses, and there's your full fuser. It's mainly for the small ones. You just press in it, and to take it out, you just have to like this, and then it grabs. If it doesn't grab, just push it more in, it'll grab. For example, this one, just like that, and it's already grab onto it, and you just like this, hold it in the bottom. There you go. And that's your second one. To close it, just line up the back. And there's your other, a small one. That's most likely relays. Press in here, and that opens up. There's your relays. Line it up. So that's it for this one. And if you want to know where the spare tire is located, usually on the trucks, SUVs, they're located right under. There it is, there's your spare tire. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.